Hi everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm gonna be your English teacher. Welcome to the third video in the number series. This video is very difficult. This is advanced numbers. It's very difficult to understand. It's very difficult to express these numbers. We're gonna talk about very big numbers and how to say them, okay? Don't be scared because I will try to explain it as simple as possible. Listen carefully and good luck. Let's start with the hundreds here. Now we already know this number. You should be able to say this number by now, 100. But let's look at the next. This is 101. So listen to what I said. 101. You heard the end? Okay, that's actually British style. When British people say numbers, they use an and. So 101. But American style is different. They don't say and. So 101. No and. So again, British style 101. American style 101. Now, which style should you use? Doesn't matter. Both are okay. Everyone will understand you. If you are British style or American style, keep that in your mind. So 101 or 101. Look at the next number. 150. 150 or 150. The next number is, this is 7, this is 47, and this is 200. So 247. The next number, this is 2, and this is 92, and this is 700. So 792. The last number here, well, we know that's 9, that's 99, and that is 999. Okay, so before we go to the thousand, I want to teach you how to express some advanced numbers. Well, this is 900. 900. The next one, this is 1,000. This is 1,000. As I taught you before. 1,000. This is the best way to express it. But it is possible to express it 1,000. 1,000. The next one, 1,100. That's the best way. But some people will say 1,100, 1,100, 1,200, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 2,000, 2,100, and 9,900. Okay, but this is only 10,100. 10,100. Because when you are getting into a bigger number, you have to stop saying 100 and change to 1,000. So you can say 100 just between these numbers. From 100 until 99, 199. I know this is a little bit confusing, but as your teacher, I prefer if you say 1,000 is better. but I have to teach you the other way because when somebody say to you 1700, you should be able to understand, right? So these are the hundreds. Let's move to the thousand. Let's take a look here. Listen carefully. This is 1 and this is 1000, of course. 3 zeros. So this is 1001 or 1001. The next number, this is 100. This is 1000, of course. So 1100. 1100. This is 24, 300 and 7000. So 7324. This is 55, 500 and 10,000. So 10,555. 24, 300, 17,000. So 17,324. This is 66, 600 and 152,000. So 152,666. Alright, one more time. 1,001, 1,100, 7,324, 10,555, 17,324, and the last one, 152,666. You are ready for some more? Let's go to some even bigger numbers. You still watching this video? That's too interesting because I have some things very scary to show you. Ta-da! No, I'm just joking. So let's try to say them. We have 6 zeros. We know this is a million and this is 8. So 6,000,008. 6,000,008. Very simple. The second number is 6 zeros again. This is 5 million and this is 500,000. So 5,500,000. The next number, look at this number, it's very confusing. 13,620,432. Wow, big number. Let's move on. We have 6 zeros, so I know this is 24 million, but what are all these numbers? 24,548,432. 32. The last one here, a really big number. Okay, 125,432,947. Do you understand all these numbers? If you do, that's great. But before we do test, we are going to do a little extra practice. So let's just review a little bit. I have 5 numbers here just for a quick review before the test. The first number, 444. 444. The next number, 8,942. 8,942. The next, 55,543. 55,543. 277,777. 277,777. 3,320,321. 3,320,321. So, if you can understand how to say these 5 numbers, you are ready for the test. You should get a pen and some papers and listen carefully. I'm gonna say the number and you should write down the number correctly, okay? Good luck. Let's start. The first number is 666. 666. Yes, it should look like this. The second number is 3,212. 3,212. Okay. The next number, 6,432. 6,432. Okay. The next number is 12,814. 12,814. Alright, it looks like this. The next number is 22,432. 22,432. Okay, you should write it like this. Next number is 79,521. 79,521. Okay, it looks like this. The next number, 432,987. 432,987. Okay. The next, 2,343,982. 2,343,982. Okay, you should write it like this. The next number, 54,543,987. 54,543,987. 543,987. You should write it like this. It's a big number, sorry. The last number is 12,112,112. 12,112,112. Wow, this is a very difficult video. Well, that's English numbers. I hope you did well on a test. I know it's very difficult, but never give up. You can do it. I believe in you. Well, that's it for this video. See you next time and take care. Bye bye.